Hi friends, you are watching my technical network. Friends, how to install and download Kinemaster without watermark for free. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, friends, subscribe my technical network and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. Go to the Google search engine. Type TENOWL, press enter, open the website. Link is also available in the description. In search, type Kinemaster, search them. Scroll down and select the best video editing. Simply scroll down and last option, press the download button. Select alternate download one. Proceed them. Yes, download. Downloading is in progress. Your Kinemaster is almost ready. Install them. Almost installation has been done. Now open Kinemaster, allow them. And you can use it very easily. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.